Hello my friends, today the passive voice, la voix passive, explain to beginners, coming up. Hello my friend, my name is Claire and I am here to teach you French with a smile. So what is the passive voice? When you have a sentence in French and when there is a complement, un complément d'objet du verbe, a complement to the verb, it is when you can ask the question, who, what? There is a verb and you asked what. For instance, I look at a plane. What are you looking at? I'm looking at a plane. I'm looking at Lucie. Who are you looking at? I'm looking at Lucie. You see? So, je regarde un avion. Je regarde quoi? Un avion. I'm looking at a plane. I'm looking at what? A plane. Encore une fois, je regarde un avion. Un avion is the complement of the verb. Complément d'objet du verbe. Ensemble, je regarde un avion. Very good. So we can ask what and we can ask who. J'écoute Lucie. I listen to Lucie. You listen to who? To Lucie. Encore une fois. J'écoute Lucie. Ensemble, j'écoute Lucie. So the opposite of that is the passive voice, la voix passive, when it is the subject who undergoes something. Something is happening to the subject itself. In French, we say le sujet subit l'action. So let's see an example of a sentence with complément d'objet du verbe and the sentence the other way around in the passive voice. Le garçon envoie un email. Un email est envoyé par le garçon. You see, so complement of the verb. Le garçon envoie quoi? Un email. Passive voice, un email est envoyé par le garçon. So, un email, it is something which undergoes an action. And the action, of course, it is by a person, it's not by a thing. Un email est envoyé par le garçon. Encore une fois, le garçon envoie un email, voix passive, un email est envoyé par le garçon. And notice the liaison between et and envoyé. Encore, ensemble, le garçon envoie un email est envoyé par le garçon. So you noticed that the passive voice needs the auxiliary to be created. And of course, my friend, when you have the auxiliary to be in French, être, you need to have like a bell in your mind. Okay, to be, I need to take into account the gender and the number of the subject for the participe passé. To create the passive voice, you use the auxiliary to be, être, and the participe passé is different according to the number, singular or plural, and gender, masculine or feminine, of the subject. To create the passive voice, you use the auxiliary to be, être, and the participe passé is different according to the number and gender of the subject. So when we have un email est envoyé par le garçon, un email masculine. But if it is a letter, feminine, une lettre est envoyée par le garçon, and I'm adding an E to the participe passé envoyé. Very good, my friend. So, of course, you can use the passive voice with sentences in the present tense, but also in all the tenses. For instance, passé composé. Let's see that. So first, sentences in the present tense. Je trace une ligne droite becomes in the passive voice, une ligne droite est tracée par moi. I'm drawing a straight line. A straight line is drawn by me. Ensemble, encore une fois. Je trace une ligne droite. Une ligne droite est tracée par moi. Ensemble, je trace une ligne droite. Une ligne droite est tracée par moi. Excellent. Let's do another sentence in the present tense, active and passive. Tu bois un café. In the passive voice, un café est bu par toi. Encore une fois, tu bois un café est bu par toi. Ensemble, tu bois un café est bu par toi. Very good. Sometimes people are confused because the passive voice is very similar to the passé composé. So let's see an example of the passé composé in the active form and in the passive form. Il a regardé un film. So the verb here is in the passé composé. Il a, auxiliary to have, regardé, participe passé. Passive voice, un film a été regardé par lui. He watched a movie. A movie has been watched by him. Encore une fois, il a regardé un film. And in the passive voice, un film a été regardé par lui. Ensemble, il a regardé un film a été regardé par lui. Excellent, my friend. Let's do a sentence in the plural. Nous avons pêché des poissons. In the passive voice, des poissons ont été pêchés par nous. Notice the liaison. Ont été. Okay? Pêché has to be masculine, plural, because it goes with poisson, masculine, plural. So we fished some fish and some fishes, have been fished by us. Encore une fois, nous avons pêché des poissons ont été pêchés par nous. Ensemble, nous avons pêché des poissons ont été pêchés par nous. Excellent, my friend. I am available for you in the comments, and I'm also teaching one-to-one lessons on pre-ply. The link is below. Keep practicing, and I see you very soon on French with a smile. Bye-bye.